What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to show you this unit from One More Hair. I'm excited because there were a couple things in here that I was like kind of hype about, but this is how the box looks. You've got care instructions, how to wash it, and like details about the hair at the back. And then I'm gonna open it up, and first you see the satin bag, which is super cute. But before I show you what's in here, because there's the hair and stuff, I'm gonna show you guys this bonnet, right? So this is one of the free gifts that I got, and it's a bonnet cap, but I've never seen a bonnet this size in my life. It is so big. I am gonna keep this for when I've got very big curly hair and when I have braids. But please look how long this bonnet is. I'm sure you guys might be used to them, but here in South Africa our bonnets are not this big. But yeah, no, this is gonna come in clutch, I know already. But anyway, I'm gonna move on to the satin bag, and what's in here is the wig. It's not in like it's plastic because I did customize it. I'll show you. But I also got a pair of lashes. These are very nice. They're like full, voluminous, and they're like very long. And then they also gave me 2 free wig caps, which always come in clutch. And then something else that was in that bag is the info card. So this is basically just a thank you card for the purchase and kind of giving you like, I don't know, details kind of about how to return the wig if you don't like it, and like any discounts and anything else that you might need. And then this is the wig itself. So I'm in love with this. It's 26 inches of this like WATERWAVE, and it's a teapot wig. I always have the easiest time installing teapot wigs. They're just so easy. I don't know what it is about them. But basically there's lace at the bottom, and this is how the wig looks inside. It's very well made. And yeah, as you can see, everything is nicely stitched. And all I really did was just cross those links, and then I'm gonna cut the lace at the bottom. I never use the lace at the bottom of like the nape of my neck. I don't know, I just never secure the wig there. So I'm just gonna cut that off, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna customize my hair. It's very simple. All I did to this actual hair was bleach the knots, but I'm taking foundation to tint the lace. The lace is a bit light, so I'm just gonna run some foundation over there. I do this every single time, but yeah, all I did was bleach the knots and then tint with foundation. But yeah, this is how the lace is looking, and all I'm gonna do is then cut off the excess lace, and yeah, I'm gonna put on my head so we can start the installation. Okay, but yeah, this hair was really nice, so I had no issues with my install at all, especially because it is a teapot. I don't know, those are just so easy. Yeah, I really recommend you guys getting a teapot wig. They come in clutch. And yeah, basically all I do for installation is tie my hair in a ponytail. I find it so easy to lay my lace now when I tie it in a ponytail. But then I'm just gonna flip the lace up so that, you know, I can access my hairline. Clip the hair back so nothing gets in the way, nothing gets stuck down. And I'm gonna use Got2b. I use the black bottle of Got2b, and I'm gonna put that all like in front of my hair. And yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna do for like adhesive. And then I'm going to take a blow dryer, make that tacky, and tie it down. Super simple. And then when I am done with my makeup, because that's really all I went off camera to do, I'm going to comb my hair. I'm using this wide tooth comb because this is WATERWAVE. This is very tight curls, but I did want to break them a bit. And then I'm going to put some water on this hair. But this is the color, guys. It's like a hazelnut, honey blonde vibe. I love the curl. I think that's my favorite thing. And all I'm really doing for the curl is I'm adding some water. I did put a bit of gel, but not too too much. I didn't want the wet look. I just put the water on the hair properly to define the curls and like the ends and like not make it frizzy. But yes, this is the final look, you guys. I love this hair. I tried to DIY this hair last year, but like I would much rather just go onto One More Hair and purchase this hair. It is stunning. It is 26 inches. It is beautiful. It is beautifully colored and I just love it. I love it. It is beautiful. And just that teapot. It's the teapot for me, girl. It's the teapot for me. But yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please go into my description box and go into the links. I will have every link that you need. And if I have a discount code, I will also put it down there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.